Alrighty, we are going to be drawing a new standard IPT for CAD problem 1, which I'm trying to put the CAD problems in the lower corner over there. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a new standard IPT. We're going to create 2D sketch to start, and I'm going to select the XY plane, which is the front view. From here, I'm going to draw a rectangle. It can be anywhere really you want it, and that rectangle is going to be 8 by 5 to start. So 8 by 5. I put in the dimensions by hitting tab between the keys. And then if it pops out of screen, you can see here it is 8 by 5. Okay. We're also going to put a rectangle in the top right corner, and that rectangle is going to be 6 by 3. So that rectangle is 6 by 3. So we've got our 8 by 5. As you can see here, we got our 8 by 5 on the outer rectangle and a 6 by 3 on the inner rectangle. When you've accomplished that, you can hit Finish Sketch. Okay. If it pops out of the screen, you just click the home button and that'll pop it back in the screen. And then we're going to extrude this by clicking on the extrude button over here. We're going to click the area we want to extrude, and we want to extrude it 4 inches. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. So I've got my shape there. It's 4 inches. And now we've got to do 2 more extrusions. The order is not important, but I'm going to do this extrusion first. So I'm going to get a 2D sketch. I'm going to click on this top face here, and I'm going to do an extrusion on the top face right here. So I'm drawing it right off of this edge. It's going to need 3 dimensions, so I'm going to use the dimension tool. From here to here, the dimension is going to be 1. On this edge, the dimension is going to be 4. And in here, this dimension, gotta do the dimension tool again. This dimension is going to be 2. So I've got 1, 4, and 2. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. We're going to go back to Extrude. Under Extrude, I'm actually just going to set it to Cut. So it was on Join before, now it's on Cut. And 4 is fine, it just got to cut through all. So that takes care of that face. And then we're going to do a sketch on this face. So I get 2D Sketch, click on this face. And all I have to do, or all I should have to do, I believe, is draw a line from here to here. That line will be dimensioned. So from here, the top edge to there will be 2. And it will be the same here. From the top edge to here will be 2. I think that'll cover it, but we shall see in a moment. So I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. I'm going to go to Extrude. It does in fact grab it. I'm going to change to Cut again, and I will hit Finish Sketch. Now, as with all of your things, when you're done with this, we go to File. We're going to save this file, and you should be saving it in your own drive on the computer. So I'm just going to have a spot for me where I will save it. On my folder, I'm going to make a new folder because I don't have that yet. Inventor. And I'm actually going to make a folder just for these problems because it's important to keep things. So these are CAD problems, keep things in order. And I'm going to save it as problem 1. And notice when I'm doing this, I'm doing it in all capital letters. That can help later with parts lists. So that's it. That is problem 1.